Right here to the left of me is the ASUS ROG Helios case, and like all ROG products, if it carries this branding, then you can expect some top quality stuff. With this case in particular, we've got solid 0.8mm thick interior steel construction, and then on the exterior we're using brushed aluminium panels, and where there's tempered glass used, they're using 4mm thick tempered glass too, which is the front and also the two side panels. Now the two side panels themselves do feature a quick release function, which makes it easy to remove and quickly reattach the side panels. And also on the rear of the case, you've got a multifunction cover shroud, which keeps cables out of sight for covering up cables on the rear. Since it is tempered glass here too, you can see through both sides. So it can give you that option not only to show off the front of your components, but also the rear of your case too. Now speaking of the front, inside this case, we've got support for eATX form factor, as well as a graphics card support holder for long and heavy graphics cards, so they don't incorporate any GPU sag over long periods of time. In terms of radiator support, we've got support up the top for up to 360mm of rad, and also at the front, 420mm. Included in this particular sample here is also 4 ROG 140mm fans, though you can mount up to 7 fans within the Helios. And speaking of mounting fans, you do usually like dust filters to protect those. So this features quickly and easily removable fan filters on the front, bottom, and top of the Helios. Now moving over to the front panel input-output, the Helios has some of the most advanced I/O I've seen yet, featuring 4 USB 3.2 Gen 1 ports, as well as 1 USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C, as well as having clean front audio input-output, which has separated grounds and circuitry from that of the USB ports, which is going to mean cleaner audio if you're using the front panel input-output. Besides that, you've also got the power button, fan control, which can sync up to the Fan Expert ecosystem, as well as an LED button for changing RGB colors, which can also be hooked up to a motherboard featuring the ASUS Aura Sync RGB tech. And lastly, with the Helios, of course, you've got that ability to mount a GPU either horizontally, the traditional way, or vertically if you wish to show off your bling with the tempered glass side panel. Just below that, there's also an enclosed power supply shroud for a better aesthetic, and you've also got the ROG branding on the side and front of this case. And so that's an overview of the ASUS ROG Helios case. My name's Brian, and I'll catch you in another video very soon. Also, if you have any questions or comments about the Helios, then feel free to drop a comment below, and I'll catch you guys next time. Peace out for now. Bye.